Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the use cases of scrolling heat maps and how you can use the scrolling heat maps to improve your user experience as well as to find optimization opportunities. Okay, so for scrolling heat maps, it actually tells you how far down your visitor scrolls on your page. Like for example, you can see 75% of our visitor actually scroll to this point of our page, and 50% of our visitors actually scroll towards the end of our page, which is our footer, right? Okay, so one important use case of scrolling heat map is that you can use this average fold to actually find out the average screen that your visitor will see when the moment they land on your page. Right, so you might want to place your most important message and call to action buttons above the average flow to ensure that the moment that your visitors land on this page, they know exactly what this page is about, what is the page, what does this page want me to do, so that you assure them that they are on the right place, so they don't like bounce off your page, right? So the average flow tells you the average screen that every average visitor will see the moment they land on your page. So you can place your most important message and call to action buttons above the average flow, right? And then if you can see there's this space and areas highlighted by red, and then these areas highlighted by red as well, right? So the color skew here means that if people spend more time consuming the content here, they stay longer on this part, which means that it will be displayed by red color, which means that this is something that people are either very interested to, or they are very confused and they take more time to consume the information here. So you might want to take note of the areas that display by red to find out whether they are interested or confused about these informations. And if they are very interested in the information here, you can probably take this piece of information and then reproduce it to another platform like social media to actually capture or attract more visitors. Okay, and right, and then the scrolling heat map is particularly very useful for blog articles. Like if you have or if you have a very long landing page, you might also want to see if people scroll down to your page to get to know the important message of your campaign or of your blog articles, right? If most of your visitors do not scroll past the 50% of your page, you might want to like relocate the elements, the important elements to the top of your page to ensure that it reaches as many visitors as possible early in on your page, right? So okay, so you can see on this blog article, actually more visitors are spending longer time on this area here. The activate Chrome extension or the analyze your website with Google Analytics heat maps, right? So I guess the visual like kind of capture visitor attention. They really spend more time reading the content here. And then okay, the alternative to Google Analytics heat map is something that is that they interested into as well. They take more time reading the content here. Right, so that is how, and then 25% of our visitor actually scroll down to this point of the blog article, which is close to conclusion already. Right, so that is how you can use the scrolling heat map to see whether your important elements get ignored and you might want to relocate them, or you want to use the average flow to ensure that your most important message are delivered to your visitors as soon as they land on your web page, right? So I guess that is all for scrolling heat maps, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.